Can you find the grammar mistake? Not Sarah likes apples. Does this sound correct? Think for a moment. The answer is no. Why is it wrong? Because the words are in the wrong order. Today we will learn how to make correct positive sentences. Hello everyone. Welcome to learning while listening anytime. I am very happy you are here today. Today we are going to learn about positive sentences. This is a very important English lesson. When you speak English, you use positive sentences all the time. Watch this video until the end. You will learn how to make perfect positive sentences very easily. Let us begin. What is a positive sentence? A positive sentence tells us that something is true. It tells us a simple fact. It says yes. A positive sentence does not have the word not. It is simple and clear. For example, I like apples. This is a positive sentence. It tells you what I like. Let us learn more about them. There are two main ways to make positive sentences. Way number 1 is using action verbs. An action verb is something you do. Words like play, eat, read, or run. Here are some examples of positive sentences with action verbs. I play tennis. Sarah reads a book. Tom eats an apple. They walk to the park. The dog runs fast. Emma drinks water. We go to school. David drives a car. All of these sentences are positive. They show an action happening. They are very easy to understand. Way number 2 is using the verb to be. The verb to be tells us how someone is or what someone is. These are words like am, is, and are. Let us look at some examples of positive sentences with the verb to be. I am happy. Sarah is a teacher. Tom is tall. The book is on the table. We are students. They are my friends. The house is big. The cat is small. These are all positive sentences. They do not have the word not. They simply state a fact. Just remember the rule. Subject, then verb, then the rest of the sentence. Now let us look at real sentence examples. I will read a sentence. You tell me the subject and the verb. Sentence 1. The doctor works at the hospital. Can you find the subject and the verb? The subject is the doctor. The verb is works. Sentence 2. Emma loves her cat. Can you find the subject and the verb? The subject is Emma. The verb is loves. Sentence 3. The car is blue. What is the subject and the verb? The subject is the car. The verb is. Sentence 4. My friend lives in London. Find the subject and the verb. The subject is my friend. The verb is lives. Sentence 5. We are at the library. What is the subject and the verb? The subject is we. The verb is are. Sentence 6. Tom plays football. Find the subject and the verb. The subject is Tom. The verb is plays. Sentence 7. The apple is red. What is the subject and the verb? The subject is the apple. The verb is. Sentence 8. David watches a movie. Find the subject and the verb. The subject is David. The verb is watches. Sentence 9. Sarah and Emma go to the market. Find the subject and the verb. The subject is Sarah and Emma. The verb is go. Sentence 10. The house is very beautiful. What is the subject and the verb? The subject is the house. The verb is. Excellent job. You are doing great with learning while listening anytime. Now it is time for listening practice. Listen to a short conversation between Sarah and Tom. Sarah says, "Hello, Tom." Tom says, "Hi, Sarah." Sarah says, "It is a beautiful day." Tom says, "Yes, the sun is bright." Sarah says, "I want to go to the park." Tom says, "That is a great idea." Sarah says, "I like the park." Tom says, "We can walk there." Sarah says, "My dog loves the park." Tom says, "He is a good dog." Sarah says, "Let us go now." Tom says, "I am ready." Did you hear all the positive sentences? I will ask you some questions now. Question 1. Which verbs to be did you hear? Pause to think. The answers are is and am. We heard it is, the sun is, he is, and I am. Question 2. Which action verbs did you hear? Pause to think. The answers are want, like, walk, and loves. We heard I want, I like, we can walk, and my dog loves. Very good listening. Now let us look at common mistakes. Beginners often make these simple mistakes. Mistake number 1. Incorrect sentence, she are a student. A correct sentence, she is a student. Why? Because we use is for one person like she. Mistake number 2. Incorrect sentence, I is happy. Correct sentence, I am happy. Why? Because we always use am with the word I. Mistake number 3. Incorrect sentence, Tom play football. Correct sentence, Tom plays football. Why? Because Tom is one person, so we add an S to the action verb. Mistake number 4. Incorrect sentence, they goes to school. Correct sentence, they go to school. Why? Because they means many people, so we do not add an S to the verb. Mistake number 5. Incorrect sentence, the dog eat food. Correct sentence, the dog eats food. Why? Because the dog is one animal, so the verb needs an S. Let us do some quick practice. I will say a sentence with a missing word. You guess the correct word. Number 1. I blank a teacher. Pause to think. The answer is I am a teacher. Number 2. Sarah blank to music. Pause to think. The answer is listens, Sarah listens to music. Number 3. They blank my friends. Pause to think. The answer is are. They are my friends. Number 4. The cat blank milk. Pause to think. The answer is drinks. The cat drinks milk. Number 5. We blank to the market. Pause to think. The answer is go. We go to the market. It is quiz time. Let us see what you remember. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I is a doctor. B. I am a doctor. C. I are a doctor. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. I am a doctor. We always use am with I. Question 2. Choose the correct positive sentence. A. Tom likes apples. B. Tom like apples. C. Tom liking apples. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. Tom likes apples. Tom is one person, so the verb needs an S. Question 3. Which sentence is right? A. The dog's barks. B. The dog bark. C. The dog barks. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. The dog barks. One dog means the verb needs an S. Question 4. Choose the best sentence. A. They is happy. B. They am happy. C. They are happy. Pause to think. The correct answer is C. They are happy. They is plural, so we use are. Question 5. Which sentence uses the correct verb? A. We reads books. B. We read books. C. We reading books. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. We read books. We is plural, so we do not add S. Question 6. Find the correct sentence. A. Emma go to the restaurant. B. Emma goes to the restaurant. C. Emma going to the restaurant. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Emma goes to the restaurant. Emma is singular, so we use goes. Question 7. Which one is correct? A. The car is fast. B. The car are fast. C. The car am fast. Pause to think. The correct answer is A. The car is fast. The car is one thing, so we use is. Question 8. Choose the right sentence. A. You is my friend. B. You are my friend. C. You am my friend. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. You are my friend. We always use are with the word you. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? A. Sarah and Tom plays tennis. B. Sarah and Tom play tennis. C. Sarah and Tom playing tennis. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. Sarah and Tom play tennis. Sarah and Tom are two people, so we do not add S to the verb. Question 10. Find the correct positive sentence. A. I has a phone. B. I have a phone. C. I having a phone. Pause to think. The correct answer is B. I have a phone. We always use have with the word I. Let us do a quick summary. A positive sentence tells us a fact. If it says yes, it does not use the word not. It uses a subject and a verb. For one person, add an S to action verbs. For many people, do not add an S to action verbs. Use am for I. Use is for he, she, and it. Use are for you, we, and they. It is that easy. Now it is time for your homework. Please write 3 positive sentences in the comments. Use the simple words park, book, and friend. I will read your comments and check your English. Did you enjoy this lesson today? Please like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave your homework in the comments. Share this video with your family and friends. In our next lesson, we will learn about negative sentences. You will learn how to easily use the word not. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.